Welcome you all. Myself Rohini Vadane, working as a lecturer from Department of Computer Technology, Kekewak Polytechnic, Nasik. Today we are going to see adapter class and inner class, which plays very important role in event handling in Java programming. Now first we are going to see the adapter class. The very first, what the adapter class. These adapter classes provide the default implementation of listener interfaces. This, if you inherit this adapter class, you will not be forced to provide the implementation of all the methods of listener interface. My friends, generally we are going to implement listener interfaces, and from these listener interfaces we have to override all the methods. So when we use this adapter class, there is no need to override all the methods from these listener interfaces. So by default it saves the code, it minimizes the code. Now we are going to see where these adapter classes are available. Generally these adapter classes are found in java.awt.event package, and the next package is javax.swing.event package. Okay, after that these which listener interfaces are provided. So first listener is window listener, and the respective adapter class is window adapter. Second listener is key listener, respected adapter class is key adapter. Third one is mouse listener, and adapter class is mouse adapter. Fourth one is mouse motion listener, and adapter class is mouse motion adapter. The last one is focus listener, and the adapter class is focus adapter. Now we are going to see a very simple program for Java mouse adapter. Now before going to example, we are going to see the mouse listener interface. In this interface, 5 methods are given, and all these methods we have to compulsorily override if we are going to implement this interface. So which are these methods? The first method is public abstract void mouse click method. Second method is public abstract void mouse entered method. Third, public abstract void mouse exited. Fourth, public abstract void mouse pressed. Fifth one, public abstract void mouse release method. All these 5 methods we have to override in the class which implements this interface. Now we are going to see, when instead of this interface we use mouse adapter, what the changes and what is the use of this adapter class is. So we are going to start with the example. So first we are going to import package AWT package java.awt. After that java.awt.event.star. So all the classes from this AWT and event will be important in our classes. Next we have written public class mouse adapter example, which is going to extend mouse adapter. See friends, if we are going to use listener interface, here we have to write down implements mouse listener, but mouse adapter is a class, that's why here we are going to write down extends mouse adapter. Now here we are going to create one object of class frame f. Now we have written here constructor for mouse adapter example. In this constructor we have created object of frame f equal to new frame with string mouse adapter. F dot add mouse listener in bracket this. So on this frame we have added mouse listener. F dot set size 300 by 300 frame size. F dot set layout, null layout we are going to set here. F dot set visibility, true visibility, frame visibility is set as a true. Constructor is completed here. After that we have written only one method, that is mouse clicked method, not the all 5 methods. Just I needed one method, that is mouse click method, and I am going to write down only that method, that is public void mouse clicked in bracket having event object mouse event. In this method I am going to create object of class graphics, graphics j equal to f dot get graphics. After that g dot set color, color dot blue, I am going to set color blue. G dot fill oval, e dot get x, e dot get y, 30 30. means when I am going to create or click on my frame, at that time after clicking on my frame, a oval 30 location oval will be created with blue color. Now only one method I have written here, that is mouse clicked. All other methods that we have seen in the previous slide, all other methods are not written, only one method is written over. So here our code get saved. After this I am going to write down public static void main, where I have created new mouse adapter example, object of mouse adapter example class. Now after running this program, see what I'll get. I'll get the output as shown here. I will get output frame with name mouse adapter, and where I am going to move my mouse, where I am going to click my mouse, at that location, at particular location, a blue color oval get generated. So friends, this is the main use of adapter class. Means when we implement listener interface, all the methods from that interface we have to override, but when we use the respective adapter class of that particular listener, there is no need to override all the methods. Just we have to write the method which is necessary or which will be included, which is included in our program. Now the next we are going to see Java inner class. What the Java inner class? Java inner class is nothing but the class which is declared inside the class or any other interface. So what is the use of these inner classes? These inner classes are generally used to logically group classes and interface in one place so that it can be more readable and maintainable. Additionally, it can access all the members of outer class, including private data members and methods also. So it provides us code optimization as it requires less code to write. Now we will see how to write this inner class, means syntax for this inner class. Here I am going to write down class, that is outer class Java underscore outer class. In this outer class, I am going to write down some code that is belongs to this outer class. Now, in the same class, I am going to write down my inner class, that is class Java inner class. And in this inner class, I am going to write down code for my inner class. By default, as this inner class is written inside outer class, it can use all the data members which are included in our outer class. Now we will see just simple example that we have seen previous, adapter class as a inner class. So here in this example, I have written one class, that is public class add in, which is going to extend applet. In this, as we are extending applet, it's necessary to write down init method. In this init method, I am going to just add mouse listener. In this mouse listener, I have created new object of class my, new my. Now here I am going to write down this my class as the inner class which is going to extend mouse adapter, and whatever code will be there, that will be written here over. So we can see this is the example of adapter class as a inner class. Next, adapter class as an anonymous inner class. What do you mean by anonymous? Anonymous means it's not having any name. Without any name, we are going to write down a class. Now we will see how to write down a class without any name. The same example I am going to repeat here over. Public class add in extends applet, which is working as our outer class. In this class, I am going to write down init method based on applet. In this init method, I am going to write down add mouse listener. In this add mouse listener, in last example, I have created object of class, that is new my. But here, without creating object, I am just going to write down new mouse adapter, that is the class. And in this new mouse adapter constructor, I am going to write down code of my anonymous inner class. So this is the way I can declare my anonymous inner class as a adapter class. Thank you, friends.